friends, it's Emily from The Small Stuff Counts, and if you haven't already noticed, things are looking a lot different around the blog this week. So welcome to the new, improved Small Stuff Counts blog. I have been working so hard behind the scenes for the last month or so on completely redesigning the website, and I'm so excited that everything is finally live and I can share it with you all today. So I thought I'd take a little bit of time today to show you a tour of the new website and give you a little bit of the behind the scenes peek into my thinking behind all of the new features and changes that you see here. Now it's been, I think, about 2.5 years since I last updated, designed, and changed WordPress themes. So I feel like we were long overdue for some improvements. It's something that I've been wanting to do for quite a while now and finally set aside the time to make it happen. Not only is this new design much more my style and brand and I think really matches how the blog has evolved since the last design, but I also feel like I've learned so much about websites and blogging since I last upgraded themes, and there were just quite a few things I was running into where I wasn't able to implement them the way I wanted to on my old WordPress theme. And also, and probably most importantly, my old theme, you may have noticed, wasn't always the best on mobile devices, and that has bugged me for a long time and is something that is just really not acceptable with everyone using their phones to access everything these days. So I wanted to make sure that the theme that I chose to go with for this redesign is very friendly on mobile, and it looks pretty and is extremely functional and easy to navigate on mobile devices, and I feel like I found it. So I decided to transfer over to the Captivating theme by Restored 316. They're a company that designs extremely pretty themes for bloggers, and I've been admiring them for a long time. So let me just give you a little tour of some of the features and show you a little bit around the site. So first of all, you probably first noticed that my logo has changed and there's some different colors and branding going on here on the home page. I worked with my sister, who's a super talented designer, to come up with a new theme, and basically I just told her a little bit of my ideas in the color scheme and she ran with it. So I'm really excited about this new look, and I feel like the whole website just looks so much prettier than it used to. I love the new logo, and I also decided to change to a new tagline. So the new tagline for the Small Stuff Counts is creating a thriving home one project at a time. And I really feel like that encompasses everything that my blog is all about. In addition to new logo and branding throughout the site, I wanted to make sure that it was extremely clear what this blog is all about when a new reader lands on the blog for the first time. So I really like that this theme has these 3 huge boxes at the top, which I am using to showcase my 3 main topics. And these are active links. You can click through any of them to get to the project galleries for that specific topic. So I feel like that's really going to be helpful navigation for you to quickly jump into the area of interest of yours at the moment, but also it's an easy quick glance for a new visitor to see what this blog is all about and locate what they might want to dig into more. And I have had project archive pages that looked about the same in the last theme, but I did make some updates, and I'm going to continue to try to make these even better and improve them over the coming weeks. But you can click through any of those to get to the project galleries. You'll also see here at the top that this second menu item here for projects has links to all of the project galleries. So if you want to find a specific blog post in a specific topic, this should help you navigate and find things quickly. Down the front of the home page, you'll also see things are looking a little different. They are organized by topic rather than necessarily a chronological, typical blog look like you are used to seeing on blogs. I decided to switch over to this theme and this homepage that really more showcases what what I'm all about and showcases some of my best content. So you've got 3 photos, or the 3 latest posts in each category here, with a button underneath each category to link you to everything in that category. So I also have created a specific popular blog post section of the site, so you can click this button to see the most popular content, which I think is always interesting to see what my favorite bloggers' popular content is, especially if you're newer to the website. It's a good way to get a feel for the blogger. And then below, there's just different sections here for each of the main topics that I blog about. So that's really the home page. I already mentioned this projects tab houses those same categories of content. The next menu item is specifically for printables. I decided to give it its own space in the main menu bar here because printables have by far become the most popular pieces of my blog, and you all go ecstatic over printables. So I wanted to make sure that they're extremely easy to locate, so you can search and find the ones that you need to organize your home or organize your time, so you can get them quickly and print them off at home so you can get back to life and organizing. So here on the right hand side, I also added a home tour button, which I've been just procrastinating doing for a long time. So there's a little blurb about us and our home ownership journey, followed by links. These photos link out to our first home and our current home. So the first home links to the last blog post I wrote about it, which was a photo and video tour of all the before and afters. And then this current home currently links to the most recent tour that I've done of the house, but I have intentions of creating a new page for it so that I can continuously add updated images as we work our way through beautifying and organizing this new house. So we'll get that updated here as we start making more changes here to our house. The next menu item I feel like was really important and something that my last site was lacking is a resources tab. So I had some things in my sidebar, but they weren't really easy to find, and the sidebar is not that helpful on mobile because it gets pushed to the bottom of the screen. But I have some great resources on the blog, and I want to make sure that you can find them when you want them and that you know that they're there and available for you. So I know you may have already taken the free Organize Your Week e-course because that's definitely the most popular among readers. But if you haven't, it's right there with the link to sign up. A link to my ebook is here. There's a link to my organizing tools and products favorites page, which I update with my most recent favorites. And then there's also a link to my blogging toolbox, which is a little bit about my personal blogging journey, along with links to every single tool and theme and course that I've ever had experience with and that I would recommend to other bloggers. I do need to update it yet with a few things specific to this new site redesign, but most everything I use is linked on that page currently. Lastly, there's an about page, and then a few small menu items here at the top. So I think that gives you just a quick rundown of what the new site looks like. I really hope that you like it. Just like your house is always in progress and it's never really quote-unquote done, I know I will always be making tweaks to the blog, both big and small, but I really hope that this is a theme that I'll stick with for a while, and I have no intentions of doing any real major updates for quite a while. There are a few small things that I'm still working on fixing because just like with any tech project, it seems like there are always little hiccups. So there's a few small little design things I want to modify, but things you probably won't even notice, but that are bugging me. But if you come across any kind of links that are broken or not working correctly, or any pages that are just kind of looking funky, would you let me know? You can send me an email or message me on Instagram. I would really appreciate the help because I am only one person and it can be pretty tough to check every single little page and link to make sure it's functioning after transferring to a new website. So I hope that you enjoyed the tour today, and I truly hope that you enjoyed the new look of the website, but most importantly, I hope that you enjoy how it functions and that it helps you locate the content you're looking for faster and easier. because there's a lot of great content that I've written over the last few years, and I want to make sure that you can find it and that it's easy to see and access for new and current readers alike. So I am going to let you go for now, and I'm so excited that everything is live and I can finally share it with you, and I will see you around the blog.